Okay, so I decided to make this video out of my vast experience for the many years I've been doing business on the internet. And if you see very well, it's how to start a profitable business with little or no capital. But you see, I'm region based. I haven't said Nigeria, but I can decide to get this off and just say capital so that we become very, very safe. All right, now you know this, that means anyone can start any of this business because the internet really does not have location based. Anywhere you are, you can make money. But if you do like the type that is why I said little or no capital. But I think a lot of us have a lot of problem. The challenge we have is this, that we don't know internet business is just like the offline business we do. Yes, internet business is just like the offline business we do. So imagine you do offline business. You have to wake up in the morning, set the things up. You have to check how it's going. But let not speak too much grammar. Please pay attention to the end of this video. It's very, very important. So now, the first one I think it's very important, which a lot of people have been doing, is e-commerce store. Yes, this one might be difficult to do, but I can't just narrow it down, say I will limit anyone. There are people who want to like e-commerce store. There are people who want to do the next one that will be mentioned, at least 10 different one we can start. So the first one is the e-commerce store. You see what it means? It means selling product online through platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even on social media market like Facebook. That is why you hear the word Facebook ad. That means you can sell your shoe through Facebook ad. You can sell your bags through Facebook ad. You can run different kind of adverts for them. Even WhatsApp status, you can see people posting. You see all these WhatsApp TVs. That is what they call selling. Electronic commerce. That means electronic means of buying and selling, because commerce is the art of what? Buying goods and rendering of services, all for money, because I know there must be something for exchange. So you can sell this thing. I love this word. You can sell anything from fashion item, electronics to what? Handmade craft. Mind you, I just said e-commerce store. And one thing you want to know about e-commerce store, it's some people don't know that e-commerce store is a different thing from drop shipping. Yes, e-commerce store means you owns the website. You own everything that it's there. If you want to buy something, you have to just go there and go and buy the thing. So that is just one thing. But still, it's not a must you must build a website. It's not a must. So you can have anything on your store, on your local shop, the one you have in your environment, your compound, and then you run Facebook adverts for them. You can learn all this on YouTube. Just search for how to run Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and you are good to go. Now you have this idea. This one means you can learn it for free. You can totally learn this for free, or some little token, but it's money you want to make, so render some sacrifice if you really want to make progress. Then number 2 here is freelance services. Yes, why I decided to add this as number 2 is some of us have a lot of graphic design skills, video editing skills, and we are looking for people to pay us. There are a lot of people searching for people to do their job for them, even from your church to your school to the hospital. You can just go out there and share your flyer or your business card and tell them this is what I do. Or you can go straight to any of this website called Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and Freelancer. The truth there, it's anyone who do freelance service is called a freelancer. This you must know. But I think this Upwork is saturated. This Fiverr is saturated, but people are still making it big. Though I don't do freelancing, I've stopped that. I'm doing Amazon KDP, which will be the last talk of this video if need be though. So now I've talked about e-commerce. The third thing people really get confused. Okay, this one is called blogging and content creation. Yes, we all know a lot of comedians in Nigeria, even in Americans in Ghana. You know Sabinus, I'm just forgetting that, AY, I Go Die, Bob V, Sydney Talker, many one like this, Machala. Yes, me in Nigeria, I've seen a lot of them. Now, what is blogging and content creation? You can see blogging and content creation, starting a blog or YouTube channel just like me. I do a faceless YouTube channel. You're not seeing my face. I'm just trying to teach you from my knowledge, and I'm getting paid for this. So it takes time to build, but it's worth it because it's a lifetime earning you get. So focus on niche like lifestyle. You can decide if you like talking about lifestyle. You can talk about your lifestyle. TikTok is there. Facebook is there. Instagram is there. Snapchat is there. Anything is almost there. It's just you that have not started something yet. So you can talk about lifestyle. You can talk about tech. If you like tech, you can do tech review. You can open phone. You can open any gadget and just tell us how to unbox it. Unboxing means opening the carton and showing us what is inside. You can talk about food if you like cooking. You can talk about travel. Then monetize through ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital product. But the most in there is you don't even have to be a content creator. You can get people content. I've seen that on Facebook, and put your video at one side of it here like this yourself. Just be moving your hands and carry somebody's video, create a page and call it Sabino's page or fans page or support page. Then you start posting the videos of, or you can call it comedian's page, anything, and you start posting those content and ensure you put your face so that it looks as if you are reacting to it. More ideas on this, and with time you'll be monetized. The good part of it is, before you know you get followers, you can even just post your business and at the comment section of it, and people will start checking on it and start buying, and you start making money from this. That is why blogging is very, very important. Blogging does not mean you have to start writing a lot of text. No, that is not what I'm talking about. That is not what blogging is all about. There's what I call vlog, video logging, video blogging. You put videos, that's the content creation. But mind you, content creation is a very big word. Content creation involves, it can be graphic designing, it can be writing, it can be video vlogging. So all you do is, in as far you're creating content and people are enjoying it, just like you're enjoying this YouTube video and you're learning of the business you can do with little or no capital. Then another thing you can see is online tutoring and courses, teaching subjects or skills online through platforms like we have Udemy, we have Teachable, or even on YouTube. This can include academic subjects, language, lesson, or professional skills. Yes, you already know that in Nigeria University, I'm from Nigeria though. You already know I'm a Nigerian, sorry. You know Nigeria University is almost something not to write home about. I'm not trying to sound like this, but you can still channel what you learn from school into on this online and start teaching them. I've seen people teaching maths on TikTok and they have a lot of followers. I've seen people teaching biology, chemistry on TikTok, some teach on Facebook, or you can make one video teaching, post it on Facebook, post it on TikTok and all this. And as times goes by, you become better every day and every time. I think the next one I want to check is, I might not be making good explanation, but I'm trying to tell you that it is possible. Affiliate marketing, this one has become rampant. A lot of us know what affiliate marketing is. You sell, you refer a product if it is good. Just like this video, I can tell you, please, I want you to show people this video on how to make money with little or no capital. Then anyone who watch the video to the end, I'll give 50 naira. That becomes affiliate marketing. So you are doing it from, you are promoting the business and you are making your own money as well. So I'm just checking for this. Then the next one I want to check now is drop shipping. Setting up an online store without holding inventory. The first one I talk is e-commerce, but this one is called drop shipping. Now, for example, we're going to go some of all the site called Alibaba Express. Let's just say Alibaba and see what's there, because I think it's very important you understand what Alibaba is all about. Alibaba might not own any goods. It might not own any goods, just like Amazon.com. It might not own any goods, but you can see business to business e-commerce. What it means is people bring their business, they sell to other people. So, but the thing here is, let's check Jumia, the difference between them, because we're talking about drop shipping. So we're going to write Jumia. This is for Nigerian. So just trying to check these two platforms. This is B2B. That means you can come here, you want to buy something like phone. A company will supply you 10 pieces of phone. Alibaba will be the middleman. They will get it because all of them are here. This is just like a drop shipping. They bring the business to this company, and the company, they bring their product to this website, Alibaba. Alibaba presents it on its website. Then you and I will come and buy in pieces from here. Then Alibaba gets its commission and send the money to the person that owns the product, just like Jumia. You can see from here now, if you scroll down, we have this fine suit which is sold at almost 50,000 naira. Now, Jumia does not have any physical product. They don't have any product. They don't create anyone, but they have an online store where they can showcase product. So people bring their product like this. They are showing it to you. So when you buy, these people get their own share and send the money to the people who owns this stuff. You get. So that is why I said there are a lot of things you can do. So dropshipping is something majority people have been doing currently. I've seen on WhatsApp status. You can pick any of these and put your mind. Please note this. You can't try everything at once. Just take your mind at every 30 days and find the one you think your mind really goes well. Or you can go deep, you can do better research again and again till you get what you want. All right. Then we have social media management, helping business manage their social media presence. This includes creating content, scheduling posts. There are some of you that are good. They are good in logo design, at the same time video editing, at the same time copywriting. This is what they call social media management. You can just put up your link up there on Fiverr and tell them you manage social media, and if you get connections that are important, and you make good amount of dollars though. So now another one is digital product and ebook, creating and selling digital product like ebooks. Yes, this is what I do most time. Yes, I create ebooks. This is more of Amazon. I use Amazon.com. I create my books and put them there. And if you even check my channel, I'll be talking about Amazon KDP, because it has made me good amount of money, and I must tell everyone. So though you can still send me a DM on WhatsApp, that's not a difficult thing at all. Yes, so you can see my channel is called Learn Digital. My name is Austin, in case this is your first time. Here on my channel, I talk about how you can make money on the internet, mostly with Amazon KDP, by just writing and copying some content from Google, and just try to use AI and make sure the things works well. Sometimes it sounds so sweet, because when we hear things like just like man, I'm going to make money. No, please take time and think about this. Or you can send me a DM. We'll talk one-on-one on WhatsApp, on a voice note or a voice call, so that I really understand how online business really works, so that you don't get cajoled by results or people screenshot and you just jump in. Mind you, online business is just like the offline business, just that you have your time to yourself. Then I think the final thing here before we get out from this is this last one called podcasting. I've seen they do podcasting on TikTok. People share themselves on audio mark. They upload what they are good. It can be a motivational speech. It can be an ed talk. It can be self-discipline, self-realization, and anything you can see. Then you are good to go. Then finally, I think here, online consulting and coaching. Yes, I do this. That is why you see I'm just trying to tell you. If anyone who chats me up, for example, when we talk about online consulting, people chat me up and say, hey sir, I'm facing this. That's why if you see my video, it's trying to solve challenges, problems, and all this. That is what my video is all about. Trying to solve how to create and set up. Sir, please, I want you to help me to do this. Sir, please, why is my book doing this? That is it. So I mentioned many from here, but I know I have not even mentioned any of it, but this is just the general of them. So in case you have more and more, please just drop it at the comment section. Don't add any link. Just drop all that business idea you think people can do with little or no capital. Trust me, in case you want to start all this, you don't feel like sending me a DM, you just want to go. But still, the best way to get to the end of a journey without making mistakes is to look for someone who has gone before you and become a friend with that person. And I think I've gone one step ahead if you're just watching this video. So try send me a DM from the link from my YouTube channel, which is called Learn Digital. But most importantly, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and drop a nice comment. Remember to rewatch this video in case you don't get everything I say, and in case you have other platform you think, other business you can do online, at the comment section, please write that, and I will like it and share it with other people that will be needing it. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.